Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at interpreting the value of a number when we're comparing it to one place value to the left or one place value to the right. So we know that here is 1,000 and that is equal to 10 hundreds. This value is equal to 10 of these. So if you think about this like a fraction, just one of these hundreds right here, if there's a total of 10, one of them is 1/10 of the total value. And that same thing would happen for every single place value when we're comparing side to side place value. So another example of that would be this 100 block right here. So it's 100 flat, and that is equal to 10 tens. I'm using base 10 block drawings to illustrate that. And so if we were to think about, well, just one of them, a 10, that would be one out of the total of 10. So this would be 1/10 of the total of 100. This is 1/10 of 100. So we start in place value and describing the relationships as we are looking at the ones place up to the 100,000s and beyond, as looking at, okay, to get from the ones place to the tens place, we always talk about, okay, that's times 10 because this is 10 times greater. And you move all the way down, we're like times 10, times 10. Every place value, we need 10 of that value or 10 of that place to get to the next place value to the left. But you can also think of it heading backwards in the opposite direction. So if I was looking at these two digits in particular, this 3 right here is in the 10,000s place, and this 3 right here is in the 100,000s place. So I could think of this as, well, if I do 3 in the 10,000s place, that's worth 30,000. 30,000 times 10 would be equal to this 3 in the 100,000s place, which is worth 300,000. But I can also look at it backwards and say, okay, well, what part of this value, how much is this worth if I had this direction to the right? So instead of being times 10, I'm actually going to say, well, that's 1/10 of the value, because if I was going to draw out 3 of the 100,000s, well, that would be 10 times greater than 3 10,000s. And going backwards, I would only need one set of 3 10,000s of the value. So we could look at this as 30,000 is 1/10 of 300,000.